स्वरूप जी, एक रैपिड फायर.
Okay.
Okay, what excites you now because of you wear so many hats? So what excites you?
My students.
Students means as an educationist आपको ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता
Yes.
है. What is one of your most defining moment of life?
The most defining would be when I became a mother.
Yash Chopra or Rishikesh Mukherjee? Your only two directors. Choose one of them.
I've never worked with Yash Chopra. I only worked in his production, so Rishikesh Mukherjee.
Rishikesh Mukherjee. But you were offered a movie, I guess.
I did. He was the producer, not the director.
Okay, he was the producer. Paresh Rawalji as an actor or as a politician?
Actor.
Why such reaction?
No. He is too outspoken and too genuine and too.
Yes, because you have to be manipulative as a politician, but I guess you said he is not.
He's not that smart.
Okay, but I remember this. You mentioned that he's a very serious person, but he's a versatile actor who has done from serious negative roles to such a comic characters. But in a real life, he's a serious person.
He's serious. He's very funny. He's got a very good sense of humor. He's very smart. He's extra intelligent. But he is funny, but he's very serious. He's very proper.
Okay.
ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. You know all that.
Is he a strict father? No, not at all. Okay. What do you do to get rid of stress?
Listen to music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Training teachers or conducting workshop for specially able kids? Which one you prefer?
With children. Always with children. That is the best. Working with children is the best.
Okay. 3 words that describes you best.
3 words. Simple, honest, and funny.
What is more organized between you and Paresh sir? Who is more organized between you and Paresh sir?
Paresh.
Oh, really? I expected you.
मुझे बहुत डांट पड़ती है. तुम्हारी चीजें यहाँ वहाँ पड़ी रहती है.
Okay, one habit that irritates you the most.
Paresh's or mine?
Both.
Paresh's habit of talking on the phone irritates me very much.
Why so?
बहुत बातें करते हैं फोन पे. All the time on the phone.
Okay. And what about you?
I talk too much.
Both have the same habit. One is on the phone, another is on the other side. Okay. Okay. Which was your favorite movie? Uri or Key and Ka? Ka and Key? Uri. Okay. Your guilty pleasure?
I love that film.
You love that. And that movie was like that only. Any experience you want to share about?
No, not experience, but you know how I signed the film? Is that Paresh was doing the film. Actually, एक दिन हम दोवल जी का कोई spy, you know, there was a program on spies, and there was an episode of Doval ji, and we were watching it, and Paresh was standing in the back, and he was, you know, doing something like this. Why is he copying Doval sir? Then I said, roll कर रहे हो क्या? So he says, yeah. I said, वाह. And मेरे बेटे का नाम आदित्य है और डायरेक्टर का नाम भी आदित्य है. तो they were all talking about the film और मुझे बहुत interesting लगी. So Aditya Dhar called me up and he says, ma'am, I'm doing this film. So I said, yes, I know. So they said, there is a role in it. I said, I'm doing it, Aditya. He says, पर आपने सुना नहीं role. I said, फिर भी मैं कर रही हूँ. He says, what? I said, no, I've heard so much about your film. I want to be a part of it.
The subject is
So,
as
yes, yeah.
Okay, Babu Bhaiya from Hera Fairy or Kanji Lal Mehta from Oh My God?
Hera Fairy.
Okay, one thing I want to know. This is my personal question. Like, इस मूवी को देखने के बाद ऐसा लगता है कहीं ना कहीं परेश जी की इमेज है कि he is not at all religious, not at all spiritual. In real life, he is like that.
He is spiritual.
He is spiritual.
But he is those typical type of people who don't like to go to mandirs.
Okay.
And
so he's a more kind of believer on karma.
I'll tell you something. Which,
yeah, sure, please.
I don't know many people know, but he wears a janeu.
Oh, that's great.
And he's always worn it from the time he got it.
Oh, great. You completed the whole query in a beautifully summed up in a beautiful way.
Yes.
Okay, your guilty pleasure?
Chocolates.
Chocolates. Theaters or movies?
The fun of standing in front of the camera is something so different. And a full audience is something else. So I want both.
Both. Okay. Your favorite place in your house where you spend most of the time?
There are so many favorite places.
But I guess in front of your PC you spend most of the time. I think so.
No, on the contrary. You know, I actually have an office.
Okay.
So I work mostly in my office. Only now in the lockdown, this has become my favorite place.
Lockdown has changed so many things.
Yes.
Are you superstitious?
No.
Astrology or numerology?
So, numerology, I don't believe so much. But astrology, I believe in.
Okay.
But I don't see an astrologer because मैं इतना मानती हूँ कि ये सही है कि वो व्यक्ति ने मुझे कुछ गलत बता देगा तो वहम हो जाएगा. So I.
Okay, but you do believe that? Okay.
Definitely, yes.
The most overrated movie of
I'll tell you one example, Rahul.
Yeah, sure.
तुम हंस के पागल हो जाओगे.
Ma'am, please.
You will be so surprised. देवे गौड़ा जी के जो एस्ट्रोलॉजर थे, वो मैं एक जगह शूटिंग कर रही थी and he came there and he was an old man. So he said कि आपका मैं जन्माक्षर पढ़ना चाहता हूँ. अभी because he was so old, I didn't refuse him. And I was an actress at that time. I was just acting. And I was, as I told you, a dropout.
Yeah.
MA भी नहीं किया था. तो उन्होंने मेरा जन्माक्षर देखा और मुझे देखा और बोला कि आप तो गलत लाइन में हैं. आपको तो प्रोफेसर बनना चाहिए था.
Oh.
कि प्रोफेसर मैं कैसे, मैं तो like BA पास नहीं की अभी. 38 की हो गई हूँ. I mean not 30. I was about 35 or 36 at that time. He says नहीं, आप दुनिया में सबसे बड़ी डिग्री हासिल करेंगी और आप कुछ एकदम नया काम करेंगी जो हेल्थ रिलेटेड होगा. और just imagine, he told me that it was so correct.
Right.
And I have actually got D.Lit, which is the highest degree. You can't get anything higher than a D.Lit.
So things are true. It depends कब connect करती हैं.
देखो ना, या solid है.
लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं सबसे बड़ी चीज पता है मैं क्या मानता हूँ मैम यहाँ पर कि आपका जो विश्वास रहा है ना भगवान पे, ये सोच के साथ कि जो भी हो भगवान ने प्लान कर रखा है. I guess that is your strength.
Definitely, yes. And I really believe that. It's really true, I think.
True.
So your next question.
The most overrated movie of your time? No idea? Okay. ठीक है, pass.
But, no, I don't know. I don't think so. I have.
Okay, the song which defines your current state of mind means these days under lockdown. No song?
I don't have one song. No, I have lots of songs which go on in
Okay,
my
which is your
mind.
favorite one? Do you listen to latest or the old songs?
I listen to everything. So two contrasting ones.
Okay.
Um, One which I really like very much. It's such a, you'll really laugh. It's a very different type of song. It's Ja Ja Re Ja Balamwa.
Okay, that's a nice song.
I love that song. Then I love all the songs from this film Anuradha.
Anuradha.
And just now everybody gets very angry with me, but I love this song just now, which is मैं तेरा बॉयफ्रेंड तू मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड.
So
I just
nice.
love it. It's so cute. Yeah. So, yeah.
I guess, with all this discussion, I'm making a point here because this show name is Young Minds of India. And my very idea was to invite you because of your young thoughts to, to bring a change in the society.
Yeah.
But going through all this discussion, you are too young at heart and in your thoughts. Truly, I would say.
You know something, Rahul? मेरी friends है ना, जब हमारे बच्चे most of my friends after I got married are a little older than me, and their daughters were in college or going to college. You know, in the last years of school and going into college, and mine were in the fifth, sixth standard. So all these friends of mine used to say, "Don't talk with Swaroop auntie because Swaroop auntie सब गलत सिखाएगी." Like मैं जब छोटी थी और कॉलेज में थी तब मैं इतने टाइट जीन्स पहनती थी कि मैं खड़ी रह के बंद नहीं कर सकती थी zip. So I had to lie down and put the zip up. And I was a college dropout, like I told you. मैंने सोचा इतना बोरिंग पेपर है, सब जानती हूँ, उसमें लिखने का क्या है. तो my friends used to say, देखो हमारी बेटियों को ये मत सिखाना सब, जानती हो तो क्या लिखने का, चलो निकलो बाहर, निकलो कुछ और करते हैं. So yeah, like there was no time limit for me. I used to do everything possible. So yeah, I am young. I think it's better to stay that
I
way.
really, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये. I guess this is one of the, कहते हैं ना, बहुत एक desired conversation होती है और बहुत अच्छा लगता है किससे मिलके. After long, I guess I'm enjoying doing this and I'm lucky to.
Advantage क्या होता है teacher का is that we work with children, so you have to be that age.
True.
And now I'm so lucky. I'm working with children who are 23 and 24. तो अभी मेरी age 23, 24 है.
Very true. I'll take that. Very true. Very true. Okay. Are you a WhatsApp person or a call person? No. Both.
Call. इतना सब लिखना नहीं होता है मुझसे यार.
Call. Are you foodie? Favorite?
Very much. सब कुछ.
सब कुछ.
Everything.
If you have to pick one food item from each corner, north, east, south, west. So
okay, so I'll start with my state, Gujarat.
Okay.
हालांकि मैं गुजरात में रहती नहीं हूँ. I'm more of a Mumbaikar. But so then maybe I could start with Mumbaikar. It would be vada pav.
Vada pav. Going
but
south.
I remember once south. I'm a total South Indian food addict. Means मैं foreign जाती हूँ 2 3 महीना. I start missing my idli sambar and dosa. So okay. I love that, and I like all South Indian food. Then Bengali, I like all the Bengali sweets. Mishti doi is my most favorite sweet in the world, and I love sandesh. Then I love having Gujarati dal dhokli, and I have to have my khakra and mamra. I have to have that. कुछ भी हुआ वो तो चाहिए ही चाहिए. Then I love गट्टे की सब्जी.
Oh, that's very typical. I mean, you have to have a taste for it, otherwise you can't.
I love it. I mean, I'm like totally addicted to it. Okay. Then I love, I mean, I'm a total Indian, so I love everything. In the sense, I love my palak paneer, I love rajma, Then I love to have.
Now you are coming
pani
to a
puri.
sense of North Indian, huh? Rajma and
like Rajma, even Jammu and
yes,
all that.
Yeah, right.
I can't. I love my pani puri.
Okay.
So that's what we call it in Mumbai.
Mumbai.
Yeah. And it was so funny. I'd gone to Nepal, and over there even there was a pani puri, and I just loved it. And I'd gone to this beautiful mandir in Janakpur, Sita Ma's mandir, and over there was the best pani puri I had.
Okay.
So yeah, I love food.
I can see your taste buds right now into that essence.
I can taste all the food right now.
Okay, if you get a remote that could rewind and fast forward time, what would you do?
For me personally, I would just do for me. I would means itna bhi to piche I wouldn't go because I don't know if I would like. But I would love to go back to the time I was studying in Worcester. I really enjoyed that time. So that's one time I would like to go. I would go back to my children's childhood.
Oh.
I had a lot of fun at that time. Yeah. So no, I'm happy with the way I've grown. I don't think I want to really go back. I'm okay.
Nice. If you were not giving this interview right now, what would be the best thing you do usually in evenings?
This is my tea time now. So I'm wanting you to hurry up so I can go and have my tea.
Okay. Just last few questions. If ये है जिंदगी अगर आज के टाइम पे शूट हो दोबारा से तो आप अपना किरदार किसको करते हुए देखना पसंद करेंगे?
I don't know. One of the new actresses.
Your Key and Kawan.
Nobody can do it.
Ka and Keevan.
No, nobody can do what I did. Sorry.
Yes, definitely nobody can. Nobody can. I believe so. What would be your ideal superpower and how would you channelize it?
Ideal superpower would be, oh yes, it would be to be invisible.
What would you do?
I would do so many things. I would just, like in the lockdown, so I would have gone all over the place. And no, I think, yeah, invisible, that's a nice superpower.
So we are done with the rapid fire.